All right, misfire the machine. I don't know. Doesn't sound like misfire. Ooh. All right. That there was a misfire machine. And he brings in a time of 3.766 is where it's going to be. Yes, folks, you can give him a good round of applause. Woo-hoo! All right, Rudy Booty. Yes. Lena Thompson to be the next one coming our way. Monster Machine. Yes, indeed. Of course, John Thompson is the proud owner to this particular machine from Gallup, New Mexico.
Rock to the west, but she's the gal that I love best. To the booty, oh Rudy. 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 Oh, wop, bop, loom, bop, lump, bump, bum. I got a gal named Daisy. She almost drives me crazy. Got a gal named Daisy. She almost drives me crazy. She knows how to love me, yes indeed. Boy, you don't know what she do to me. To the booty, oh Rudy. To the booty, oh Rudy.
All right, Pretty Judy, oh Rudy.